Hey sisters, how are you? You want to give your brother a nice beautiful Rakhi? You're at right place. Today we are going to make 4 different beautiful Rakhis which your brothers are going to love. So without any delay, let's begin. Let's start with Dreamcatcher Rakhi. For this Dreamcatcher, you need a ring which you can get from any plastic bottle which are usually available at our home. Then you need a red thread. You can take any color of your choice, pass it through the ring and tie a nice knot. Now cover the ring with the help of the thread. It takes a little time, but it is worth it. When you reach the end, tie a knot and then start making some irregular designs. Now start making some irregular designs. Start from the border and then move to the inner portion of the ring. After you are satisfied with the design, cut off the excess thread and tie a knot. As we all know, Dreamcatcher is a luck charm, so it is a very nice idea to convert it into a Rakhi and gift it to your brother. Now we need to make the thread for the Rakhi. We'll take a nice thread and cut it into 2 equal parts. Create a loop of the thread and pass it through your Dreamcatcher. Same way do it for the other side. You can either leave the bracelet as it is or, just like me, can add some colors to it. Take a red thread and tie a knot with the white thread and start braiding it. Same way create both the sides. And our first Rakhi is ready. For this, we need 3 bottle rings, 2 of smaller size and 1 of bigger size. Cover the biggest ring in yellow thread the same way we did it for the first one. And for the ears, cover those 2 rings with black color. But make sure you don't cut the excess thread. Place the ears and then start rolling the excess thread through the face of Mickey. Tie the two parts all together and secure them very nicely. Now cut off the excess. Take a red thread and the same way we did for the first one, cut out a piece of thread to tie the Mickey to your hands. Same way do it for the other side and then tie the knot at the end. Yay! Mickey Mouse Rakhi is ready! For this flower Rakhi, you need a glass and some bobby pins. Attach the pins to the glass at equal distance. I have taken 6. You can take as much as you want. After you attach the pins, take a thread, hold it with your finger and then start wrapping it into a shape of flower, as I am doing in the video. This will create nice sepals for the flowers. Now cut off the excess and then tie a knot as I am showing here. Tie a different knot for each of the section. Otherwise, it will open your thread. Secure it properly. After you feel that it's done, pull the pins out of the glass and remove your flower. Now attach a smaller flower at the center of the flower we made. Secure it nicely and properly. Cut off the excess thread. After your flower is ready, take a green thread and then start wrapping it on top of each other and make 5 different loops altogether. Cut off the excess part and then tie a knot at the ends. Cut the extra end of the thread. And now we need to attach our Rakhi. You can do it with the help of a thread pass it through, you can either use a needle or, just like me, with the bobby pin. Pass your thread through a bobby pin and then push the pin into the flower to pass your thread through the flower. Place your thread and tie a nice knot. Cut off the excess and it's ready. For this Rakhi, we need a scale and thread. Start wrapping your thread around the scale 12 times. Cut it into 12 pieces. Take a thread and tie a knot at the top. Divide it into 3 equal parts and start braiding. Tie a knot at the end and then pull the braid to give it some volume. Cut off the excess ends. Then roll it into a circle. It creates a nice flower. Secure it with a thread and a needle. And then add a bead at the center of the flower. Secure it nicely and make 3 of them. Take a thread double the size of the bracelet you want to make and then cut off the excess. Take same thread for all 3 colors, red, pink and green. Tie a knot at both of the ends. Attach the 3 flowers all together with the help of thread. Attach the bunch of flowers with the base thread. Cut off the excess ends and your Rakhi is ready. Make these Rakis for your brothers, and if you do so, hit the like button and comment down below that how your brother reacted to this Rakhi. All the brothers watching this video, do share it with your sisters so that you get these awesome Rakhis on Raksha Bandhan. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Happy Raksha Bandhan.